How to import posts and media in WordPress. First, I will teach you that how to export posts in WordPress and then import the post back in WordPress. Go to your WordPress dashboard, select plugins from menu bar, click add new plugins. Write export media in search bar. Now you can see many plugins, but I'll prefer export media with selected content. Click install now. Now it has been installed. Now activate it. Go to the tools in menu bar. Now select export. Choose what you want to export. You can select dates or duration. Now download export file. The file has been downloaded. So you go to tools again, click import. Here you see the Blogger plugin. Install Blogger plugin. Click on Run Importer. Choose the file and click on Upload. Now it's all done. Have fun. Don't forget to download your free copy of the WordPress Quick Guide for Businesses. The link in the description below, and if you like the video, smash the like button and see you in the next video. Thank you.